So I'm gonna show you how to erase unwanted objects or any kind of object from any kind of image. So for that, go to your browser, any browser, go to Google and search for photo room, and go to photo room link on their website. And here you can find photo editor, and we're gonna use AI retouch. On AI retouch, select a picture. I'm gonna use this Lego picture. So imagine like I don't want this object to be here. I'm just gonna brush it up, wait for a few seconds, and it's gonna remove it just like that. Now if I want to remove this also, just brush it up and it will be removed. That's easy. You can do it whatever you want, and you don't even need to log in or sign up to Photoshop. And just click on download. It will be downloaded automatically right here. It's super easy.